Welcome back to my channel, it's Candace. Today we're going to be doing a review on the e.l.f. Cosmetics Advent Calendar. If you do want to see a review, demo, and unboxing, then please keep watching. As a huge favor, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment anything down below. I greatly appreciate it. I read all the comments and I will do my best to reply back to you. This advent calendar retails for $45 on Ulta's website. That's where I purchased mine. I do want to read a little bit about this advent calendar on Ulta.com. It does say, give the gift of variety with the e.l.f. Cosmetics 12-day holiday advent calendar. This collection includes some of your e.l.f. favorites, 12 surprises to keep you looking fresh and gorgeous this season. So let's go ahead and open this up. Here's a closer look on what the packaging looks like. It is very reflective. When you turn it over on the back, you have a description about all the products included and the ingredients and the directions down here. Let's go ahead and start unboxing. We're going to start with day one, which is right here. It looks like we have a brow product. This is the Wow Brow. Here's a closer look on what the brow product looks like. This is in the shade Natural Brown. This is called the Wow Brow. Here's what the applicator looks like. I've never tried any brow products. Wow, you can definitely notice a difference. On the right side, I applied the Wow Brow product, and on the left side, I don't have any brow product. I never apply any brow product to my eyebrows because they're naturally fluffy. I'm gonna apply some of the Wow Brow on the left side of my eyebrow. That way we can look all evened out. There we go, we're all evened out. I really did like this brow product. Let's see what's behind day number 2. Oh, we have a lipstick. Here we have the e.l.f. Seriously Satin Lipstick in the shade Taffy. Super pigmented. I already have this shade in my collection, but I can't seem to find it. I know it's around here somewhere. I checked everywhere. I can find all the other shades in this collection except for this particular shade. I love this formula, it's so soft. Let's see what's behind day number 3. Here we have their Hello Hydration Face Cream. I haven't tried a ton of their skincare products, but I heard it's good. Here's what the inside of the face cream looks like. Let's feel the texture. Ooh, it's so thick. Let's see what it feels like. Absorbed very quickly. I'm on e.l.f.com. They did change the name to Holy Hydration instead of Hello Hydration Face Cream, but it does say this ingredient-driven moisturizer helps brighten and even out skin tone, lock in moisture, and promote a plumped up, bouncy complexion for just $12. Wow. Packed with skin-loving ingredients, this nourishing yet lightweight cream instantly sinks into the skin for smooth, non-greasy feel and soft and supple skin. The key ingredients are hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, squalene, peptides, vitamin B. First impression of this face cream is that I really did like it. I will keep you guys updated in the description box down below. Let's see what's behind day number 4. This is the e.l.f. Bite Size Eyeshadow Palette. Here's a closer look on what the Bite Size palette looks like. This is in the shade Cream and Sugar. Here's what the back looks like. I wasn't really a huge fan of these palettes. Here's a closer look on what the 4 shades look like. I was able to find my Cream and Sugar Bite Size palette, so we don't have to use the new one. And I did swatch the 4 shades on the back of my hand. Here's a closer look on what those 4 shadows look like. I will be creating a look using this eyeshadow palette just in case if there's an eyeshadow primer or a brush or something like that we can use before we apply the shadows. Moving on to day number 5. Perfect! We have a brush. That's exactly what I was looking for. This is the e.l.f. blending brush. The bristles feel very soft. I'm going to keep this brush one side so we can use it later on with that eyeshadow palette. Let's see what's behind day number 6. We have a liquid eyeshadow. I've never tried any of their liquid shadows before. This is called their Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Cranberry. It's so pretty. The applicator is double-sided. Here's what the shade in Cranberry looks like. Wow, it's so pigmented with one swipe. Moving on to day number 7. This is their e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I love this. Here's a closer look on what the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer looks like.
I've
I've already gone through one of my poreless putty primer. I'm currently using their matte putty primer and I really do like it. Let's see what's behind day number 8. Oh, this is the e.l.f. makeup setting mist. I've never tried any of their setting mists before. Here's what the e.l.f. setting mist bottle looks like. I do want to see if the mist is fine, so let's see. Let's spray. Okay, we're definitely going to use this at the very end. Let's see what's behind day number 9. This is their Ride or Die lip balms. I've been loving these. It's so good. Here's a closer look on what the Ride or Die lip balm looks like. This is in the shade Boss Berry. I don't have the shade in Boss Berry. I only have these 3 shades. I have the shade in Tough Cookie, which I love. I have Mighty Mint. The last shade I have is called Cheeky Cherry. So let's see what the shade in Boss Babe looks like. It does come with a safety seal. It does have like a cherry scent to it. It smells very good. I'm gonna apply the shade in Boss Berry. I don't know why it came out like that. Let's swatch it. Here's what Boss Berry looks like. There we go. That's what I was expecting. I don't know why it came out clear on the back of my hand. I love the shade in Boss Berry. It's so comfortable on my lips. The scent smells amazing. Highly recommend. Moving on to day number 10. It looks like we have a lip gloss. This is their lip lacquer in the shade Bubbles. It does come with a double-sided applicator. It's just a clear gloss with a high shine finish. It's a pretty gloss with a little bit of shimmer to it. It doesn't feel sticky at all. I cannot feel the glitter specks. I can't believe we're almost done with the advent calendar. We have 2 more days and then we're done. Let's see what's behind day number 11. Assuming this would be their makeup sponge. It is! Here's a closer look on what the makeup sponge looks like. It's a little bit bent. I guess it's been in the box for a while. I'll definitely keep you guys updated on how the makeup sponge performs. It feels very squishy. Finally, let's see what's behind day number 12. We have an eyelash curler. Here's what the eyelash curler looks like. That's everything included in this advent calendar. Now let's go ahead and create a look using the eyeshadow palette. Taking the e.l.f. blending brush, we're going to dip into the last shade in the palette. We're going to be blending this all over the crease. Taking that same brush, we're going to dip into this lighter shade, packing this on our lid. Taking our liquid glitter eyeshadow, we're going to be applying this in the center of our lid. Taking a flat brush, we're going to smooth everything out. This liquid eyeshadow dries down so fast. It's currently dried down. It was totally my fault. I should have applied one side of the liquid eyeshadow, blended it out really quickly, and then do the other eye. I shouldn't have done both eyes at the same time without blending it out. It's totally fine. We're going to make it work. Going back in using that same blending brush, we're going to dip into this champagne shade, applying this in our inner corner, dragging it towards the cranberry shade. I'm going to deepen out my outer V using the dark brown chocolate shadow. For lips, I'm going to reapply the shade in Boss Berry. Here's what everything looks like. I'm going to set everything using the e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set. I don't like the nozzle on the setting spray, it just spits right out. I do like how it did set everything. My final thoughts on the e.l.f. advent calendar is that I really do like the products that were included. I did really like the Brow Wow product. I never really use brow products on my eyebrows like I mentioned earlier, but I really did enjoy this. I did like that e.l.f. included 3 different lip formulas. You get a lipstick, a lip balm, and a lip gloss. I also like that e.l.f. included a skincare item in this advent calendar. So this can be used as a facial cream, a hand cream, anything that you want. The 2 eyeshadow products that were included. I already had the e.l.f. Bite Size Duo. It was okay. It wasn't my favorite. Really wowed me was the liquid glitter eyeshadow. It was super pigmented and dried up very fast. I'm going to swatch the shade in Cranberry right underneath it. It did dry down a little bit darker. I really did like the e.l.f. blending brush. It does the job. It blended out the shadows really nicely. I'm so glad I have another poreless putty primer. When I ran out of mine, I just forgot to repurchase. The eyelash curler and the makeup sponge I didn't get a chance to use on camera, but I will definitely keep you guys posted in the description box down below. Last product was the makeup mist and set. I didn't really like the nozzle. If you guys did enjoy this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.